Good morning. Just getting to the office. Got some stuff to move around today. So I think we will start out in the garage. Makes sense. I might time lapse this for first time, see how it turns out. Did a little time lapse. Let's see how that comes out. Might need to edit that down. Obviously there's no audio, so I'll have to work on that. But got a bunch of stuff here. A lot of stuff here. A lot of tools and whatnot. Whoops, okay. I'll put this here. Now, got everything on. The shelf up there, the light, the bar that holds it on underneath here. Now I got a complete desk. Got this room emptied out. Got all this shelving and supplies in here. Got another one that's going to come over here. And we'll keep on working on the rest. This is getting cleared out. I think we had to do something with this wiring harness soon. I may have to put another shelving unit or a plastic shelf or something to work off of, get everything sorted out. But we're looking good.